Unleash your power, change the world. Wow, what an amazing day it is. Today, the 12th of August, we celebrate you, the young people who are going to change the world. Listen up, because I want you to remember these words: you matter. Your voice, your dreams, your actions, they all count. You know why? Because you are the future leaders, innovators, and change makers. You have the power to shape the world into a better place. But here's the thing: you don't have to wait until you're older to make a difference. You can start now. Right now. Embrace your uniqueness, pursue your passions, and strive to be a force for good. Don't be afraid to stand out, to speak up, and to take risks. You are the ones who can bring fresh ideas, new energy, and creativity to solve the world's problems. You are the ones who can break barriers, challenge status quo, and push boundaries. So, I want to leave you with a challenge today. What will you do to make a difference? Will you stand up for what you believe in? Pursue your dreams with passion and purpose. Use your talents to help others. Be a leader, a game changer, a world changer. Remember, the world needs you now more than ever. So, go out there and shine. Make your mark, leave your legacy, and change the world. You got this, young people.